Alright fellas, happy December. Snowing a little bit, which is kind of cool. So we're going to fire up the truck again. It's going to be another cold start today. And just figure we do a daytime one as well so you can see. And I just want to take a minute. Let's just look at the truck. Look at how nice that is. What a beautiful piece of equipment that is. Okay. But anyway, yeah, like I said, we're going to cold start it again. And maybe do a little driving in it later. So let me put the camera down here. We'll crank this baby up. Plugged in again last night. It's about 30 degrees now. Probably got down to about 20 last night. And let's see what she does. Definitely likes it when she's plugged in.